Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Workspace for Project Docs, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Google Workspace. Press Enter to navigate to the Google Workspace login page. You will see a screen prompting you to enter your email address. Enter your Google Workspace email address into the designated field. Once you've entered your email, click on the Next button. Now, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. After entering your password, click on the Next button again. If your login credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Google Workspace dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to recover your account if necessary. If you are prompted to set up two-step verification, follow the instructions to secure your account. Once logged in, look for Google Docs among the Google Workspace apps. Click on Google Docs to access your project documents. You are now ready to create, edit, and collaborate on your project docs. Make sure to log out when you are finished for security reasons. To log out, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. That concludes the login process for Google Workspace to access your project docs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.